Hello, 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 hello. How are you? This is Els coming from Bemis Crafty Corner, and today I've got this little project for us. Now, I originally saw this, I don't know where, um, but when I originally saw this, it was done with double-sided cardstock, which you can find, but I thought, really, this looks fantastic and would be great in a book page. So I decided to do it with a piece of book page. So that is how we're going to do it today. Relatively easy to do, and you can do it, in two different sizes. I think 6 by 6, which is what you end up here with this, which is a piece that is 3 by 3, or you could do this with an 8 by 8. So we're going to do it with both and see, which one we like. All right, so it's just a little, like a step pocket. No real anything to this. It is just folding, okay? So I'm going to get out some supplies, and I will be right back. All right, so here's all our tools. We need a piece of 6 by 6, a piece of 8 by 8, a pair of scissors, a bone folder, and some adhesive. That's it. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and start with the 6 by 6 and just decide what's the outside. Then we're going to fold that. Make sure that it's well lined up. That's important here. Okay? And then we're going to fold it in half. I know. Okay? And then we're going to open it. We're going to fold the bottom corner all the way up. Nice and even. And burnish it. Okay? The opposite one, we're going to bring down about half the distance. And burnish that. Then this line right here, we're going to cut on that line. To the fold. Okay? Get that a little straighter. That was horrible. It was horrible. Okay. Alrighty. So now we're going to do some folding. Over, up, and around. Okay? So let me show you again. So, bottom corner right hand side folds in. Top corner left hand side halfway. Slice right there. Okay? And then fold in the first one, fold up the second one, and wrap that piece around. Okay? So now, obviously, we're going to do some inking. So, now you can glue these down if you want to, but you don't have to. Okay? Here we go. First one over, next one comes up, this one goes around. Now, I'm going to round the corner here. Okay, and I'm going to glue this line. Now you can glue two sides if you want to. You want to glue this side so that it's like a pocket, or you can just leave it like this so that it's a little tuck in. Okay, that's the first one. Now we're going to try it with the 8x8. Bring it up. Make sure that it's nice and square. And then with the open side to the right, I'm going to fold that up. And again, I'm going to make sure it's nice and square. Open it. Bottom right, all the way up. Top left, about halfway. Got that line right there. Okay. Fold this one over. It's a little high. There we go. That's better. That one over. Fold this one up. Flip that around. One pocket, two pockets, this pocket. So let's round the corners up here. This is newsprint, so it's going to be a little bit difficult to round that, but we'll get it. And we'll get it by cheating. There we go. All right, so I'm going to ink this. This part. Now, because this is newsprint, I am going to glue. Okay? Just because it is newspaper and it tends to be, you know, a little more difficult to work with. So if your book page is very thin, you may want to glue this part. Okay? So I'm going to glue this down. I'm going to glue this one down. Bring this over. I'm going to glue it right here. I'm going to bring this one up. No glue. Glue. Okay. I got a little bit over here. There we go. And then I'm just going to finish inking the top and the bottom. There we go. Now I can decorate, and this one I did as an actual pocket, and this one is just like a tuck. Okay? Alright, that's it. That's our simple 6x6 project for today, or 8x8 if you choose. And if you have any questions, you can put them in the comments section and I will get back to you as quick as I can. So if you're new, press the button to subscribe and check out my community tab. Make sure that you get a look at that. It's going to tell you everything that I've got coming up. You can also take a look over on Facebook if you'd like. There's links in the description box below. Until I see you again, stay well, my friends. Bye-bye.